Jesus Christ, you Okay guys, so this is the BOSCAM R2 dash camera. It's a rear view mirror dash cam. This is on Amazon for £109.99 in the UK. Take a look at the links in the description below. But let me show you what else you get in the box. Okay, so up first you get a GPS module which plugs directly into the top of the dash cam. So you also get these mounting straps. They are made of rubber, and this is what straps the dash cam to the rear view mirror. You also get spare ones there as well. So guys, you also get a rear view camera. So you also get an additional mount for the rear camera, just in case the other mount is not suitable. You get a bigger surface area there for the 3M sticker. So that's handy. Obviously you get your in-car charger, and it is USB Type-C. And finally you get a huge cable. So this cable will connect your rear camera to the dash cam. So we have lots of cool accessories there. Let's take a closer look at the dash cam. So the dash cam is 1080p. It has a 9.35 inch laminated and anti-glare display. And the camera is powered by a Sony IMX sensor, which is supposed to be really good in night vision, so we'll check that out. But also you can see there the camera, the lens, and this pops out as well. So depending on how wide your rear view mirror is, this should accommodate most mirrors. Reset switch on the back, and along the top you have the connector for your GPS module, micro SD card, AV in, and power. At the bottom, power button and a microphone. So these fitting straps will hook onto there, then over to the other side with your rear view mirror underneath that. There's rubber pads there as well, so it will keep your rear view mirror protected and cushioned. So you've got quite a few cables going on about there, but obviously you can route that through your car once you're done. For the rear camera, this additional bracket is actually a number plate bracket. So it'll stick to your number plate and you can fasten the camera onto there. The one that the camera comes on is actually for you to mount to your rear windscreen inside. If you don't want to route the camera outside, you can do it inside. Okay, so I think next up is to get this set up in the car and see how it performs. So guys, I've got the rear view mirror set up there. I'm just now trying to get this rear camera set up. I'm going to have it inside the car, route it through as best as I can through there for the purpose of this video. GPS is connected there at the top, as well as obviously the power and the camera for the rear camera. Just press this again, there we go. We're back onto the rear camera. I'm going to stick this to the windscreen, the rear windscreen, and hopefully should be good to go. Okay, so the rear camera is installed. See the cable running down the back there, but I've stuck to the rear windscreen, and this is the main part. Now it's a good thing that this pops out of the side there, because my windscreen, because my rear view mirror is quite wide, so that's a good job that pops out there, so it can fit many different rear view mirrors. So you can sort of see what it looks like there at the back of the rear view mirror. Okay, let's see what this thing can do.
Doctors who studied together in Edinburgh.
take a closer look at the dash cam and the configuration and the menu. We've seen the footage. We're quite happy with the quality overall of the footage, even the night vision as well was good. One criticism I do have is it could perhaps be a little bit lighter in the video. Some of the daytime driving I was doing, it was actually brighter on that day than it looks on the actual dash cam. It looks a little bit dull, so maybe the exposure could have been knocked up a little bit. But in terms of quality though, it's good. I could read the number plates fine. So yeah, let's take a closer look. So it's got the 9.35 inch laminated and anti-glare touch display. Got the time, date. One tap brings the menu up. Mute audio. You can switch from the back. That's the back camera. A bit of rain on there. A bit dark as well. Or you can switch to both, or just the front. We have a play button here, and you can play files directly off the SD card that's inserted in there, which is pretty good. So if we click on one there, oh, there we go. That's pretty impressive. How impressive is that? And the rear files as well. There we go. So also the emergency videos. So I think if it detects a knock or a bang, it'll record them as well. Photo. No photos, but you can do screenshots or photos. Let's go back to the front, stop recording. That's basically the record button, stop and start. It automatically starts recording obviously when you start the engine. This is a screenshot. Picture, let's go and look at that picture. Back, photo, there we go. Photo. Quality, very, very good. Lock current file, unlock files as well. Let's stop recording and go into settings. What I like about this camera is it's not boasting to say, oh, it's 2K or 4K. It's just plain and simple 1080p or 720p, which I like. You don't need anything more than 1080p really, not now. 1080p, you can do the clips up to 3 minutes for the movie to record 3 minutes and then loop. Record the sound, reverse line switch, driving mode, I'll show you that in a moment, and parking monitoring set to high. Now let's go back, and in driving mode, once you've been driving for a couple of minutes, the driving mode will kick in. So this is driving mode. So when you're driving in driving mode, this will pop up. It says 0 mph, so that's obviously your speed. And if you don't want that displayed when driving, obviously you can turn it off and have it switched to your front or rear camera. Let's go back in the settings. Turn that annoying beep off when you keep pressing stuff. Volume, language, LCD power save, I had that off. Protect levels, speed unit, GPS time syncs, that obviously syncs your time. You can set your time zone, clock settings, date format, time format, automatic rear view, so you turn that on so it'll automatically display the rear camera when driving. Reset format, firmware version. That's it. Very simple to use dash cam. So automatic rear view. That should switch to the rear camera. Let's just test it. Let's take power off. And then reapply power. BOSCAM. There we go, so that's switched to the rear camera. It's raining. So obviously you can use that as a rear view mirror as well, which I have been doing. So that is it. That is it. Very simple to use. A nice looking design, fits perfectly on my rear view mirror. Camera quality is great. You can move that around. get a perfect position as well. So you're not limited, really. You have a lot of configuring and shifting about to get it perfect for your setup. If you don't mind all these cables routed for your car, like a permanent install, then this will be absolutely perfect. Okay guys, so that is the BOSCAM R2. Links in the description below if you want to take a look. If you love your dash cams, I think you would definitely love this. Beautiful, beautiful dash cam with decent quality video as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Any comments, and pop them down below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.